Is it time to sell and take profits or keep hodling? Let me know what you're doing in the comments below. Let me know what you would tell a friend, and let's talk about this. The percentage of Bitcoin supply that has not moved in at least a year just breached 70% for the first time. Look at this. Wow. I think Bitcoin and crypto is in an uptrend. There will be dips, even bad dips. We know this. But I believe if and when we go down, Bitcoin will make a higher low, particularly as we get closer to the January 10th ARK Invest ETF date. Let's talk about what's going on in the world today and how Bitcoin and crypto relates to this. I urge you, see the forest through the trees. The fiscal situation in the US is beyond the point of no return. The monetary base is mathematically programmed to expand in order to service interest payments on government debt. Bitcoin is going to 500,000 per coin by 2030. This is just math. Wake up. And by the way, anybody saying that this is just moon boy math can't do basic arithmetic and or has not done their homework on understanding Bitcoin. When you finally do your homework and you finally understand what's actually happening in the world and how Bitcoin and crypto relate, you understand that Bitcoin is going to hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin. There is no other option. Strike CEO talks about this on Fox Business. Strike is like PayPal for the Bitcoin Lightning Network. Bitcoin is going to hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin. Jack Mallers explains why.
So what do you see? What's the future, the near term and the longer term future that you envision for Bitcoin?
Oh my gosh, this thing's going to hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin, Charles. I mean, the U.S. government is in so much debt. The way I think about Bitcoin's price equals technology plus fiat liquidity. So it's going to go up because it's innovative tech and it's better money. But what really shoots it up at a neck-breaking pace is when our government is tens of trillions of dollars in debt and has to roll that debt over. So they got a lot of money to print and financial assets are going to soar. And Bitcoin goes up the most because it's the hardest to make more of. It's over, man. This thing's going to the moon. You know,
so interesting, too, because it's not just the U.S. I was just reading today, globally, these countries, these advanced nations and all this fiat currency are going to have to spend $2 trillion on the interest alone, and they won't stop spending, Jack. They just won't stop spending money, and it's coming back to haunt them, and it's coming back to maybe people realizing fiat currency is not the place to be, huh?
Charles, this would be my message to America. Give me a second on this one. Guys, the U.S. government's got about $10 trillion over the next 2 years to roll over, refinance. That's debt. Our country's in debt. It's a huge problem. They got three options. One, they could pay it back. It's not a real option because we don't got the money. We're broke. Two, our government could come out, Charles, and say, you know what, guys, we screwed up. After World War II, we changed the way money worked. We got off the gold standard. We issued debt all over the place. We got way too cocky. And actually, all of our banks don't have your money. They're insolvent. All the airlines you fly and travel on aren't actually good businesses that should be in business. Healthcare shouldn't actually be free. We screwed up. We piled on so much debt and screwed up the younger generation, and we're in huge trouble. So we're going to have to let everything fail and reset this country. Now, they're not going to do that, are they, Charles? They have a third option, which is unique to the government. They could print the money that they're missing. And when they print the money that they're missing, they're stealing from all the people that hold US dollars. And so what they'll do, they'll have to do is print dollars. And the only way to save yourself is own not dollars. And that's when you see things like the S&P 500 and gold and Bitcoin soar. And so that's what's going to happen over the next 2 years. They got to print 3 times more than they did during COVID.
I love your enthusiasm, Jack.
By the way, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Daily videos just like this, keeping you informed on the entire cryptocurrency market. If you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency, subscribe to our channel, Daily Videos. So I think we're in a bull market. I think Bitcoin is going to continue to grind higher. Again, there will be dips, but there's a huge bull rally coming, and some people call it FOMO season. FOMO season starts when Bitcoin's 2-week RSI crosses 70 for the first time. So when this line down here passes this line right here, like it's done here, like it's done here, like here, and right here. If we repeat the gains of the last bull market, Bitcoin's price goes to $137,000. I love this. I think this is accurate. Let's get to some altcoin news. If you're bullish on Solana, if you're a Solana holder, you might be eligible to claim this airdrop. Nearly 1 million Solana wallets are eligible for the Jupiter airdrop. The DEX aggregator is giving away 4 billion Jup tokens. So Solana users could be in for another treat following the blockchain's recent boom. Nearly 1 million Sol wallets are eligible for 4 billion tokens from decentralized finance aggregator Jupiter. So the 4 billion Jupiter tokens are about 40% of Jupiter's total Jup token supply. Now, what you need to know is this airdrop takes place next week with 1 billion Jupiter tokens to users who have made a minimum of 1,000 in swap volume on the protocols. So if you think this applies to you, you could claim this airdrop. Jupiter is one of the biggest DeFi projects in the Solana space. The swap aggregator, which claims to be built for smart traders who like money, allow users to find the best rates when trading tokens. In other news, somebody just paid $400,000 for this Ethereum NFT of Vitalik as a Juster. $400,000. The painting of Vitalik, named Eth Boy by Trevor Jones, and a lot of money, broke records in 2020. The Ethereum NFT just sold for a lot more. Stuff like this shows me the speculators are back. Bull market's coming back. I love news like this. You know I'm bullish on Chainlink. I think Chainlink has some great tokenomics, particularly going into this next bull run. They do a great job of generating revenue and capturing that revenue. So let's talk about, why I'm bullish on Link, the ecosystem, and Link the token. The economic system for Link is ingenious. Whenever Chainlink services are needed, Link, their token, is also required. Need price feeds for your DeFi protocol? Buy Link. Need real-time weather data for your crop insurance protocol? Buy Link. Need to transfer your tokenized T-bill from one blockchain to another? Buy Link. These are only a few use cases, but you get the point. Demand for Link is directly proportional to the demand for Chainlink services. This is why I'm so focused on Chainlink compared to other projects, utility over everything. So let's answer the question, am I selling my crypto right now, or am I hodling still my crypto right now? And the answer to this question is I'm still buying, actually. And here's the thing. Do not make the mistake of not having a take profits strategy this cycle. Do not make that mistake. I certainly have one. But I'm bullish going into 2024 with the pending ETF approval. I'm bullish with the upcoming halving with Bitcoin. I'm bullish with real working altcoin projects capturing value in the cryptocurrency space today. The fact is, this cycle is unlike every other crypto cycle we've ever had in many, many metrics. And again, keep in mind, this video is not financial advice. No videos are ever financial advice. It's always just opinion and information. But I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Retail isn't here yet, not even close. So I ask you, am I crazy for not taking profits here? Am I crazy for not taking profits here? Am I absolutely insane? Hey, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join us on this journey. Next year is going to be an insanely good year. We're going to put out another video tomorrow. See you then.